What's up, guys? Real quick, I want to talk to you about Ted'sWoodworking.com. Me and my wife moved into a new house, and she wanted an outdoor picnic set, and they're like $600–700. And I got all the tools, so I went online, I looked for, and I found Ted'sWoodworking.com. There's like 16,000 plans, and I built a picnic set. Right now I'm working on a shed. They're awesome. It's packed with great info, lots of pictures, easy to follow blueprints. It's not hard at all. And it was only 47 bucks, and I don't know if it's still 47 bucks, but it's awesome. It's worth the money. Check it out, Ted'sWoodworking.com. You won't be disappointed.